food lovers, I'm Tommy and I'm in my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make rigatoni carbonara. What is rigatoni? Rigatoni are pasta shapes. They are different from penne because they are bigger and they have wedges on them. Carbonara. Carbonara is an Italian pasta dish that is only with 4 ingredients: eggs, parmesans, black pepper and smoked pork meat. The original recipe is with guanciale. Guanciale is pork cheek. If you can't find guanciale, you can also use pancetta. And if you can't find pancetta, it's okay, you can use bacon the same. For this recipe, we're gonna need 500 grams of rigatoni, 150 grams of bacon, 40 grams of parmesans, 1 whole egg and 3 egg yolks, pinch of black pepper, salt and olive oil. That's it. Okay, let's start cooking. In the pot, we're gonna put 1.5 liter of water. Let's put this on a gas, on a high heat, and put 10 grams of salt. Close it and wait until it's get boiling. Okay, first we're gonna cut the bacon. In a bowl, we're gonna crack 1 whole egg and we're gonna separate 3 egg yolks. It's so easy to separate the yolks. Look at this. Whole egg. Grab the yolk. It's done. You see? It's so easy. Don't put too much salt at the eggs, because the bacon is salty, the parmesans is salty. Just a little bit. Black pepper. Yes, the pepper goes in. A grated of parmesans. 40 grams of parmesans. Mix everything together. And the cream is ready. Look how creamy it is. Okay, the pasta is boiling. Now it's time to put the rigatoni in. It's very important to cook the pasta al dente. We're gonna cook this rigatoni for about 5 minutes, because the other 3 minutes is going to cook in the pan with the sauce. In the pan, we're gonna put just a little bit of olive oil. Why? Because the bacon is gonna melt and produce some good oil. Wait until the bacon is crispy. The pasta is ready, the bacon is ready. Let's put all the pasta in the pan. Okay, it's done. Look, already we have a cream. Always remove the pan from the heat. Why? Because we don't want to make scrambled eggs. We want to make a creamy dish. Okay, let's put the cream inside. Yes, that's it. That's good. Come on, mix it. Look how creamy it looks. It smells delicious. It's already tasty. Let's put this back on the gas just for a few seconds, just to get thicker. That's it. It's done. Look at this. Look at this cream. Come on. Grated of parmesans. Mix it a little bit more. It's incredible. It's delicious. It's so easy. It's so easy. Okay. Let's put this in a plate. Look at this beauty. Look at this cream. It's incredible. Grab a little bit more cream on top. Yes. It's wonderful. Grated of parmesans. That's it. Rigatoni carbonara. Done. If you want to see me how to make more good recipes like this, subscribe and click the like button. And don't forget, good food is good mood.